Hi, Dave Snyder here. It is June 7th, 2013. The time is 9:34 p.m. Pacific Time, California. Alright, so I made a pretty good discovery earlier. As I was putting together this crater, again, Schrodinger again. Sorry. Okay, it's going to be right up here somewhere. Right here. No, this one. Okay, so I put this up here because I saw this in the weather. Check it out. Again, check this out. Weather. Come on, radar. My mouse is real picky. Right. All right, check it out. This does it fit even better earlier, but check it out. Okay, there's that pattern. Look at how this fits. Look down here. Check this out. Watch this. People think that it wouldn't have a similar pattern, but this is like hundreds of miles. It's like 500 miles. You know, that's if it's even similar, it's going to be the same. You're going to see something similar. If it's, I mean, look, that's a huge area. So if it hit there, it's going to leave a similar shape, and you're going to see that pattern. If it hit a bunch of times, you're going to see that pattern all over the place. And how can we see the same pattern right here all the time? Up here too. It's up here too. See that? That's right here. See the clouds right there? Look at that. Look at the shape, like that shell shape right there. Curve up the top, come back out the back. Look right here. What's that shape? Same thing, but you got to just turn it sideways a little bit, like this. Same shape. See it? The shell shape coming out the back. Same thing up here. It's just, you got to look at it this way. This is the bottom part, and it curves around. This is just kind of whipping out over the edge, but as you see, it curves the same. So that's the same thing right there. It's right there, and you see, this is the part that I'm talking about in Schrodinger that sticks out right here. That's right over here where this comes down to like a point right here. See that? Same thing. But the big discovery is, as I was to cut a lot of stuff out of this video, the last video I just made, right here is big discovery. You know how I always put this with the south pole of the moon? Okay, I always put this crater as an impact included with the south pole of the moon. Okay, this time I decided to check something else because I saw that big circular pattern in the cloud right there. And that right there, let's measure that. We'll just go down to here, let's say right here. This being the edge. I'll just go like this. 2,200 miles. Just round it up, 2,200. That's perfect. Alright. Okay, so you see how that fits. So what I did is I went to the moon. I turned off the weather. Well, just went to the moon like this. Turn this crater off. Alright. And I went down to check the south pole and see what else was near that Schrodinger crater that would be significant. We got this area, and we got Mare Australe being here. These are impacts. This is a separate impact. This is another impact. You think that this is all individual impacts in this whole dark circle? Those are all individual impacts, but it all happened at the same time. You know what I mean? It's one impact actually. In reality, this is all one impact, pretty much. Same with this. These ones back here have been covered quite a bit. These are on the backside. I mean, that's supposedly what's on the backside. We don't even know. You know, it's hard to tell. But the way that they make it all fit together is just unbelievable. I mean, it absolutely puts everything together. Okay, so I saved this Mare Australe, and I mentioned in that video, this looks like it would be like it seems like a different type of impact with all these little. It looks like it might be an ocean impact or something. The way that it bubbles up like this, instead of like a continent impact. But I don't know the difference. I'm not a professional at that. I'm just kind of giving my opinion on that. So anyways, I saved this Schrodinger with that, and then I went back to the Earth. And without even trying to, do it real perfect or anything like that, I just kind of threw it up there to fit that weather pattern like this. See this? See that right there? That big circular pattern? Okay, so this is what I did. I already got it laid down here. Not that, that's ice. Okay, here we go. So here's that Schrodinger crater in pretty much the same position. Like I said, I didn't put it down perfectly or anything. I wasn't trying. I just put it down where I seen Mare Australe fit right there like that. And this is just how this Schrodinger is just about how it's supposed to be right there. Maybe a little bit bigger than I have it. I had it up there a little bit bigger than that, but you can see that's where it goes. It's a little out. It needs a little adjustment, but look at that, people. Look at that. Watch this. Look at that. Right into place. So that's, I just want to cut out all the stuff out of the other video because it was going to be really long. It was really long and boring at most time. And this one probably is too, but let's just check this over here. Wow. I can totally see that. You got this right here. Like this is the center or something. I don't know. It's the center. This is, I don't know. Something did something like slid or something, hit and slid or something like that. Hits and then slides down to a different part of the earth and comes out, who knows, and then separates. Trying to figure it out. That's pretty good though. And I can't adjust it to the right sides because it's getting up there towards the poles. So, but look at that. You can see that. I can see that. That's nice. All right. So something to think about. Anyways, what else can we do with that? We can make it into nighttime. Check it out like that. It's kind of cool. Wish I could get a better picture of Australe. It's hard to get a better picture of that whole area. Weather. It's pretty good. And then you got Iceland up here. Iceland, I think, is, see how this all comes up to a point? That's like, up there would be the Humboldt, right up there by Iceland, right here somewhere. Pretty nice. Alright. Just more and more. Here, you want to see that up here again? Check it out. I'll show you that one up here again. With the way it fits. Really good. Watch. Watch this weather. Look how it fits in here. That's really good. Yep, how it comes right down here, out this way. Look at that fit. And then let's look at it over the land. Over the land, it's not bad either. Oh yeah, this crater in Newfoundland, the mountain that must have hit Newfoundland right here, or the volcano that was there, I'd say. It was a volcano probably. Mountain that made that crater on the moon. You can see it right here. Look, the circular pattern right here. I'm not saying it's perfectly aligned on here. It's almost impossible to do, but I think it's this circle here. And that's the center right here of the island right here, and it smash right there. Smash right there, dead center. This big circular pattern right here. Okay, I got it over to the side a little bit, but I'm not going to mess everything else up. You could go there too. But look at the shape. See how it comes back like this? You can even see. Look at the shape. Behind it is the shape of the backside, this part of Newfoundland right here, it looks like. Yep, I can see that. This right here, see this part right here, this area right here, cuts that little notch out right there. Bam, right in place. Then you go look at this crater and look at, they got clouds in the way right here. Watch. Got some in the way, I think. Well, maybe not. There's something there that you can see, something right there. Look at that shape. Yep. Something there. You see the shape of that? That's the same shape as that right there. Bam. Go through the whole picture, that'll be like that. Whole picture. All these craters right here. Watch, there'll be a crater right over here too. Look at this area here. Look at that area right there. Look at this, how this is. Watch. Then look right where that crater is. Look at the big circle right there. Bam. Or right here. I think it's right here. I can see it. This punches that lake out. Bam, right there maybe. Pretty good fit. Pretty good trickery. How they can make it fit everywhere. Pretty incredible. I wonder what's right here. Huh. This little opening here, if you were to turn that a little bit more sideways. Oh, look at that. You see that? If I turn that sideways, you see how perfect that is? Right there? It fits right in that spot. Wow. And then this probably comes right down here. Look at that. This crater probably goes right there. Wow. Definitely see that. What the hell? Look at the shape of that thing. Ooh, ooh. Pretty cool. Is that the new Mare? No, that's not even close to that. That's not even close. That's a pretty serious line right there. Pretty serious. Look at that. That's that opening right there. So what is this area? Turn borders on. I should know, but I don't. Rhode Island, Long Island. What's this? Long Island Sound. Perfect. I wonder what the name of that area is on the moon. I have to check it out. Definitely has something to do with the shape of that on the moon, I'd say. Oh, hell yes. It's the same thing. Just got to turn it a little bit. I don't want to turn it. Maybe I should. No, I'm not going to turn it. There must be some mountains right along here or something, right? Appalachians or something. Is it something right there? Oh, it fits pretty good. Anyways, oh man, I'm drifting there. Okay, have a good day.